Hi, I'm thickens. Let's cook homemade ice cream. We need 4 yolks from eggs, milk 200 milliliters, wet milk, cream 33% or more, wet cream 500 milliliters, sugar, better to take brown sugar 100 grams, and vanilla extract or vanilla sugar half of teaspoon. Separate yolks and put it in the bowl. (200 milliliters of milk. Put in the bowl. Add half spoon of vanilla sugar or vanilla extract. Medium heat. Take wooden stick and always mix. When you will see small bubbles, around the edges of the pan, it's time to lower the temperature for minimum and put a timer for around 20 minutes. For this time, always mix your cream and let it boil very slowly. You always have to see small bubbles to make it work. Don't let your cream stick to the bottom of the pan, so constantly mix it. How to check if your cream is ready? It's really easy. You just mix it with a wooden stick and then try to hit it with your finger like this. If you see straight line and nothing go down, your cream is ready. Now we need to cool our cream to the room temperature or even low. To make it faster, you can fill your sink with cold water and put your pan inside the water. Whip it until you get strong peaks, like this. Now we take our cooled cream and put it to whipped cream. And do it little by little. Just take 1 spoon, put it to cream and whip a little like this. Ice cream is basically ready. Now take containers which are fine to be freezed in the fridge. How to get this information? Check icons. You have to find such icon like snowflake, and this means that this container is okay for freezing. And it's better to take several small containers instead of one big. Put ice cream to container. Do not fully fill containers because ice cream will grow while it's freezing. And put to the fridge. First we have to cool it down, so for about 30 minutes in the fridge. After an hour, take everything out of the fridge and whip it a little bit. And put your ice cream to the freezing camera. Set timer for 10 minutes. Set another 10 minutes and repeat for about 1 hour and a half or 2 hours. This is how final ice cream looks like. Let's try it.